Hello friends, welcome to the SWAYAM 16 MOOC course for undergraduate and postgraduate students. The title of this course is Distributed Power Generation and Microgrid Systems. Distributed power generation is the process of creating electricity from many distributed sources like solar panels and wind turbines located near where power is used rather than from the centralized power plant. Microgrid is a localized self-contained electrical network that can operate independently from many utility grid or in a grid connected mode using the distributed energy sources like solar, wind and batteries. The entire course consists of 5 learning units. Number 1, Introduction to Distributed Power Generation System. Number 2, Microgrid Types Design and Control. Number 3, Power Quality and Protection Issues in a Microgrid. Number 4, Internet of Things for Microgrid. And number 5, Hybrid Energy System. Apart from the 5 units, software simulation work will also be demonstrated in the videos. Knowledge of distributed power generation and microgrid is crucial for engineering students to meet evolving energy demand for reliability, sustainability and economic efficiency. This course differs from other microgrid courses by emphasizing the multidisciplinary nature of distributed power generation, microgrids, integrating power electronics, control system, power system and communication in its analysis and operation. The main objective of this course is number 1, to understand the basic concept of the integration of renewable energy resources in a distribution system and the microgrid. Number 2, to impact the knowledge of the microgrid, its various types, design and control. Number 3, to explore about the power quality and protection issues in a microgrid and its various mitigation schemes. Number 4, to explain the communication concept in a microgrid, and number 5, to analyze the hybrid energy system and its control. This course is jointly coordinated by me, Dr. Papia Ray, along with my colleague Dr. Gayadhar Panda. Myself and Dr. Panda both are professors in Electrical Engineering Department of National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Kolkata. Besides, we have 2 more external experts. Number 1, Dr. Sabbaraj Arya, who is professor in Electrical Engineering Department of Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, Surat, Gujarat. And number 2, Dr. Monalisa Biswal, who is Associate Professor in Electrical Engineering Department of National Institute of Technology, Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
This course is designed mainly for the UG and PG students, and it is designed as per the model curriculum of the AICTE. This course is a elective course of 3 credits and that can be covered within the 12 weeks. For each unit, 3 hours lecture video is required. The learners can complete the course by attending the total 20 lecture videos, and each lecture video is of 45 minutes duration. Corresponding to each unit, e-material will be provided which will be treated as a supplement for the learners. References and case studies will also be included in the e-material. At the end of each unit, sufficient number of MCQs will be provided so that the learners will be able to assess themselves. Quiz test or MCQ based questions will be projected at the end of every month. At the end of the course, the end semester exam will be conducted based on the MCQs as per the guidelines of the SOEM 2024.
We hope that you will find this course useful and enjoyable. Happy learning!